Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable step counter in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to enable step counters, let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply look for health app in your phone. It might be in your Samsung folder, or you can also get it to app screen, or you can go ahead to search and here just simply search for health and you might get health app. You just have to open it. And once you have opened here, you might get this type interface. You have to click on this start option over here. Click on start and here just wait for some moments until it's loading and then click on next. Yeah, just like all from here to agree with privacy policy and next user term permissions. So once you have done, just click on this next option, then click on continue and allow some permissions. And once you have allowed permission, just click on start and just wait for a few more settings or loading. Click on agree here. Now go to settings to enable alarms and reminders notification. From here go back. Now you have successfully done your setup here. You have to look for steps. So here's your daily activity and here are your steps. So you might check your daily steps in this section, or you can also go ahead to your home screen. Keep a long press on empty place on your home screen. Go to widgets and here just scroll down. Look for health here, go to it and just look for steps. Here's the steps. I'm gonna choose this one. You can select anyone you want. Is this step? Just keep a long press on it and release it where you want to set it. So in this way, you can easily enable step counter in your Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.